Si vous entrez, je vous tue! Dégagez de cette église, espèce de sauvage!
American! I'm an American! I don't want to hurt you!
Me too, asshole. The Americans are in Normandy.
Yes, we are. But I'm part of a different group. The 502nd Airborne Division. We jumped in before the landings. Now look, I'm gonna come in there with my hands up. You're not gonna shoot me, right?
You really are American. What are you doing here?
Well, my guys and I have been tasked with making the push towards Paris. We've been going village to village, clearing them out from the Nazis. You're safe now.
Why didn't you come earlier?
I beg your pardon?
They took them all.
Who took who?
The Nazis. For years they took all the Jews, all the Gypsies, anyone who was not Aryan, anyone who was different than them or could not benefit them. But last night, they came to the village and they went to house to lift up all the men that were left. And then they killed all the women and children.
What's important is that you're still alive. How did you survive?
I survived because I'm a coward. I'm supposed to be part of the resistance. But last night when I came back and I saw them going everywhere, I got scared that I climbed here. Because I knew that if I was staying down there, I would die like them.
You're part of the resistance? So that means you must know the area well, right?
Yes, I do. Why?
Well, I think there's a reason why I found you here, in the House of God. If I showed you a map, could you pinpoint the location of the Germans? So we can go get those sons of bitches?
Yes. I can help you.